Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen Dore from Landerize, and in today's video, we are going to teach you on how to make a spinner sweepstake landing page in Landerize, guys. It's going to be spinner. It's going to be really interesting, guys. But before we proceed to today's video, just help me out with this channel, guys. It's a brand new channel. Please support this channel by hitting the big red subscribe button just below this video. I'm sorry, I'm just shaking the webcam too much. As well as do not forget to hit the like button for this video only at the end of the video, guys, not now, and only if you like the video. And do not forget to hit the bell notification as well, so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. So I'll be seeing you inside the video. Let's go.
This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. And today's video is going to be about Landerize, guys. We are going to teach you on how to make a sweepstakes spinner landing page using Landerize, guys. So Landerize is a landing page builder created specifically for affiliate marketers and also for affiliate page, guys. So first thing is that if you want to use Landerize, the link to Landerize is in the description below, and we are currently offering 14 days free trial for Landerize, so you can actually go ahead and grab them. So this most special thing about Landerize is that you can straight away take your particular landing page and upload it into Amazon S3, but you can't do that without setting up Amazon S3. So the first thing that after you come into Landerize, you have to go to the getting started section, and you gotta complete all these introduction videos, especially step 2 and step 3, where it will literally teach you on how to set up an Amazon S3 services, and also on how to connect the Amazon S3 with your Landerize, guys. This is very important services, guys. So once, if you do not do this, trust me, you will not be able to complete this landing page building system, because at the final procedure, it's all about uploading your landing page straight away to Amazon S3, so that it will be very fast. And that's what differentiate Landerize compared to ClickFunnels, Instapage, and all those stuff. So make sure you do this before you start building a landing page. So once you have done that, now you can actually go to my landing pages, and you can hit on create a new landing pages. So when you create a new landing pages, there will be actually 58 templates available. And don't worry if you think it's less, because Landerize is adding at least 4 brand new high converting templates every single week. And what we mean by high converting templates is that all these template has been tested by Colin Dice and their team. I know this for a fact because I'm also a part of their team. And all these particular landing pages, right, templates, they actually cater for different reason, different niches, and all this stuff. So today we are going to look at this particular landing page, which is the spinner. And this particular, I'm just going to name it. So click on that and you're going to name it test 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we're going to name this. So this particular landing page is a sweepstakes offer, and it's actually a offer basically for mobile phones, and it's not for iPhones, guys. You can actually make it look for an iPhone, but it's more specifically catered for Samsung phones or Huawei phones and things like that, because for iPhones we have a different templates which is specially catering for iPhone. So this is more for Samsung, Samsung phones, guys. So how do we actually do this? It's pretty simple, guys. So the first thing that you need to do is, once you are here, they will actually tell you that you are actually chosen, and blah blah blah, you're chosen, so you're not going to change any of this. And Facebook is giving out a free gift. Press spin if you want to win. So the only thing that you might want to change here is that you want to change the giver. So it's normally Facebook, or you want to put any other big company. So for example, you can actually put Amazon. You can actually literally put whatever that you want. It's literally you're taking a huge company, but make sure it's a very well-known organization like Amazon, like Google, and this kind of stuff. So uh, but the color is actually for Facebook here, so you can actually change the color as well. So if you do something for Google, you do something for Amazon, make sure you have their color placed. This is based on Facebook, so They do have Facebook's color based here, so it's totally depending on what you want to do, guys. So once you have done that, you can actually click OK. So now is the time for you to actually edit other stuff with this particular landing page. It's actually very simple things to edit, guys, because like I told you, most of the things within the landing page using Landerize has already been optimized, so there's nothing much that you need to edit. So like I told you, if you are using other than Facebook, this is especially catered for Facebook. That's why the color is all like Facebook. So if you're using different color, make sure you customize that color according to whatever big companies that you're using, guys. So make sure you do that. So make sure you do all that, and you can actually change this header title as well, welcome, or you can do something else as well. Usually I'll just leave it welcome. So the next step is to edit this one. Congratulations, you're a lucky visitor. So you can actually do congrats, or you can actually do congratulations, but usually this is good enough. And the date is always the current date, so you can't change this. The date is always your current date, and it's actually good. It makes your campaign look like it's a very, very new campaign. So once we have done that, the next thing is this one is what we're going to change, right? So Apple user, you have been specifically selected to win a special prize from Facebook. So like I said just now, so if you're not going to use Facebook, you're going to change this into a big company. And these Apple users, perhaps you are going to just put users, or you're going to put visitor, lucky visitor, something like this, lucky visitor. You have been successfully selected to win a special prize from Facebook. So if you change this one, you change the normal thing that I told you, the big companies, make sure you change it every single time you look at Facebook. So Facebook will award 30 free items, and you can actually have a chance to get one of them. So we want this. So once you have done this, we can actually move to the spinner. But before we move to the spinner, let's talk about the comment. Let's do everything first, and then we move to the spinner. So let's do everything first, then we move to the spinner. So with this one, you can actually edit everything. You can edit the likes, you can edit what is this. So we want something like this. If it's Facebook, we want something like this, 200 likes. So you can actually read the comment. You can actually see, you can change the number of the comment. You can do a lot of stuff. So when you're here, this is what I will usually ask you guys to do. So when you're here, right, make sure that you cater locally for that targeted country. Let's say that specifically you're targeting United States or UK, then these images and these names are okay, these are good. So but if you're targeting a different country, let's say you're targeting Asian countries, for example, Singapore, China, for example, you can't use these images. People know that this is not Chinese images. So what you will actually do is you will change the name. So you can actually go Google, press local Chinese names. So you can actually see the female names, male names, for example. You can take these names, you can actually paste it. So this is actually for names of girls, right? So you can actually, for example, Zing Rui. So you can actually do this. You can paste Zing Rui here, and then this image you can change as well. So you can go Google again. You're gonna do Chinese girls Instagram. So Instagram. So make sure you do not have like a very stock image. You want to have a real nice images like this. So we're gonna save this image, and what is going to happen is we're going to go back to Landerize and we're gonna upload. If they do have a recommended size here, but usually what I will highly recommend you to do is just upload the image with the original size first. Usually they will resize it accordingly, but you can actually see if it's pixelated or not. So it actually looks really, really nice, right? It's not pixelated, so there's no need for you to actually resize the whole thing. But in case you want to resize, you can actually use a software called Canva. Canva is a software, free software created for people without any designing background to design stuff. So you can just go ahead and hit create design, custom dimension. You can do 50 times 50, right? 50 times 50. You can hit the create new design here, and what you can do is you can go ahead and upload the image that we just took, for example this one, and then you can resize that image accordingly over here. You can just drag that image and You can put the image like this and you can save it and you can upload it as well. So this is how easy it is to do stuff with resizing and changing the name. So make sure you pay close attention to that. And also whenever you change anything with, like I told you this so many times already, if you change the Facebook name, right, make sure you change the Facebook name every single place. Other than that, everything is good, and we can actually move to our final step, which is spinning the whole thing. So this is actually the image of the spinner. These things we are not going to change, guys. So you can actually have a spinner image designed like this, but this is like really hectic work and we don't want to do that. We just want to do the we want to manage with the existing spinner. And I like I told you, this particular offer is specially catered for Galaxy giveaway, Galaxy phone giveaway, smartphone giveaway, but not for iPhone. We have a different offer for iPhone. This is for Galaxy giveaway. So when you actually spin this, you can actually see spin, and you can actually see this is the winning image. What is the winning image? I'm going to show you. So when you actually spin this, the first spin is always a losing spin, or it will show you that you get the one, which will say good luck, you're going to get extra spin. So you can actually edit all of these, guys. You can actually edit the good luck, you can edit this one, but everything looks pretty neat. But like I told you, if you're changing this from Facebook, make sure you change all the colors to a different color as well. So totally depending on you. So once you have first spin is always like that. This is actually to engage. You don't want the audience to win the first time, you want them to actually go ahead. First time you engage them a little bit, you warm up them, and then the second time is where you want to let them win. So you're going to spin again, and this time you are going to win. So with this time you spin, the winning image will pop up. It will stop in the phone and the winning image will pop up. So like I told you, congratulations, you have won Galaxy S8 Plus. So let's say you don't want S8 Plus, you want a brand new Galaxy S. What's the brand new latest Galaxy phone? What is the latest Galaxy phone? Is Galaxy Note 10 or something like that. So you can actually change this Galaxy uh Note 10 or something like that. You can do this, you can do all this, but it's usually catered for Galaxy phone, guys. So Galaxy Note 10. So Galaxy Note, can please, going to be Galaxy Note 10. So it's going to be, please hurry, you have 5 minutes to claim it, verify. So you're going to give a little bit spacing here so that it's not so messy. You have 5 minutes to claim it, verify your information, next page to continue. So that's it, guys. That's it. And the next thing that you need to do is you can actually change this. When you're spinning, you can actually change this winning image. So maybe you don't want this Galaxy phone, you want a literal Galaxy phone. So you can actually put a phone there. As you want a literal phone, so you can actually go ahead, Google a Galaxy phone images. You can take this kind of images and you can put it in the Landerize, same way how we redesign everything in Canva. So you can actually do that, but everything is actually good. So once you have done all that, the same thing, guys, final touch, go to the gear icon, make sure the page title is correct. Do something which is really nice, like spin and win your phone, win your special price today, something like this, something like this, which is really attractive. And do the title here. And once you have done that, the destination URL is always the click URL from volume. So put your click URL here, make sure you hit the change all links as well, save it and hit publish. When you hit publish, they will ask you to choose a domain. Remember, I told you set up everything first and they will ask you this domain. So once they ask you this domain, choose a domain and hit publish. So once you hit publish, there's a prompt will come out saying that it has been successfully exported to Amazon S3, and this link will appear. This link is what you're going to put in volume to build your lander tracker. So basically that's about it from me, guys. This is how you actually go ahead and make a sweepstakes spinning lander sweepstakes spinner landing page with Landerize, guys. So I really hope that this video was beneficial for you. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you want to use Landerize, the link to Landerize is in the description of this video. There is a free 14 days trial that you can actually grab it today. There's also a Dice University forum link in the description of this video. It's a community where people, affiliates from all over the world, come together to build a beautiful community to share their knowledge together. So don't miss that as well, guys. So that's about it from me, guys. Before I go, I just want to ask your help. It's a brand new channel, guys. Please support us by hitting the big red subscribe button as well as the like button for this video, only if you like this video. And do not forget the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos and so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Till then, tata, bye bye.